Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to add mathematical expressions to your WordPress posts. In this tutorial, you will learn how to log into your WordPress account, access your site editor, and insert math symbols into your content. The entire process is straightforward and efficient, taking just a few minutes to complete. Begin by launching your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once you arrive at the homepage, you will need to initiate the login process. Look toward the upper right corner of the page where you will find the login option. Clicking on the login option will guide you to the next stage of signing in to your account. After you click on login, you will be presented with various authentication options. In this case, you will select the option that allows you to continue with a common third-party account. Choose the option that offers to continue with Google. Once you click on this option, a prompt will show your available Google accounts. Select the appropriate account that you intend to use for managing your WordPress site. This step ensures that you have a secure and quick login process. After you have successfully signed in, the next area to focus on is your site management dashboard. In this portion of the interface, you will see a section labeled Quick Links. Within this section, there is an option labeled Edit Site. Click on Edit Site to move into the site editor, where you manage the content and structure of your pages. This is a key area where you can modify your post, including adding mathematical expressions. Once you are in the site editor, look for a block that is currently empty. This empty block is where you will be inserting your mathematical symbol. Click on this block so that it becomes active and ready for your changes. You are now set to bring in the element that will allow you to represent mathematical expressions effectively. If you are working on a computer running a Windows operating system, the next step is to use a special keyboard shortcut to access a variety of symbols, including the mathematical ones. Press the Windows key and the dot key simultaneously on your keyboard. Doing so will open a character panel which contains an assortment of symbols and icons. It is a quick and efficient way to find the specific math symbol you need without switching to an external resource. Once the character panel is displayed carefully, scan through the available symbols until you locate the math symbol that best suits your purpose. Choosing the right symbol can enhance the clarity of your mathematical content and express ideas more precisely. Click on your chosen math symbol and it will be inserted into the empty block of your WordPress post. Following these steps helps you effortlessly integrate mathematical expressions into your WordPress posts. This process is designed to save you time and streamline your workflow even if you are not a coding expert. By using the built-in character panel through a simple keyboard shortcut, you can add accurate symbols to support your content. Simply repeat these actions whenever you need to enhance your post with mathematical details. Enjoy the improved functionality and visual appeal of your mathematical content on WordPress.